What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Product Red 44mm Apple Watch Series 6 Cellular Edition. So stick around. Welcome back, and let's get straight into the unboxing. So as you can see, we have the red Apple Watch logo on the front. Opening up the box for the very first time, we're presented with both the Apple Watch itself as well as the band, which this particular model is the 44mm Cellular Edition. Now I also picked up the OtterBox XL Edge case, which I will be making a video on soon. So on top we have the 44mm Sport Loop band, and you have the options between several different bands when you're purchasing the watch. Opening up the box for the Sport Loop and removing it for the first time, I have to say that it definitely has a nice feel to it, and it feels very breathable and definitely seems perfect for the gym. And also the fluoroelastomer band works excellent for the gym as well. Opening up the box for the Apple Watch Series 6, we're presented with a little bit of literature, along with a magnetic charging cable and a pretty cool looking sleeve protecting the device itself. Taking a closer look at that Product Red color, I have to say that I'm pretty impressed. Now there's supposed to be a iPhone 12 Pro Max coming in the color red as well as the navy blue. So if that does happen, I'm definitely going to be getting the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Product Red. If you own the Series 5, should you upgrade? You don't really need to. However, if you want the latest and greatest, then of course you should. So some of the things that are new here on the Series 6 compared to the Series 5 is the Series 6 has a new processor. It also has a brighter always-on display. It charges faster. It has a blood and oxygen sensor now. It also comes in more color options. Here's the Product Red Series 6 next to the Silver Aluminum Series 5. Like I said, I got a couple videos coming up here on the Apple Watch Series 6, including a couple cases. Also, we'll be doing a full review video. Let me know if you would like to see me cover any specific things in that full review video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.